Homemade coffee ice cream recipe with only 5 ingredients. 300 ml of heavy cream, 4 fresh eggs separated, half a cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons of instant coffee, 2 tablespoons of hot water. Method: dissolve instant coffee with hot water. In a bowl, beat egg whites with a hand mixer and gradually add sugar until it becomes glossy and you see stiff peaks formed. Add the egg yolk one by one and mix together with the coffee. Keep the bowl in a fridge. In a separate bowl, beat the heavy cream until it forms soft peaks. Add the cream gradually to the egg mixture, then fill a shallow airtight container with the mixture. Freeze for at least 6 hours and serve straight from the freezer when you want to eat. Enjoy!